10-year anniversary of Twilight coming out, I thought I would do a Bella Swan inspired Halloween tutorial for you all today. This look is perfect for those who enjoy this movie series and who prefer a more toned down look for Halloween. Something a little less costume looking that you actually could wear any time of the year. This jacket that I'm wearing is an exact replica of the one that Bella wears in the first Twilight movie. If you all would like to see more trendy videos from me, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now let's get started!